Well, good morning again. Today is April the 30th, and our lesson is Pacific State Resources. Your super secret word, I can't remember if I gave it during your Bible test or not, but it is praise. And I'll tell you what, it was really lucky if you listened to this lesson, because I'm pretty sure I forgot to give the super secret word for tomorrow. So I'll go ahead and give you tomorrow's also. It is David. Okay, so Friday's word is David. All right, let's review. All right, what river comes between Washington and Oregon? What river is the border? The Columbia River. Okay, where is 90% of the world's earthquakes located? The Pacific Rim of Fire. Okay, right here, you need to know the names of 3 volcanoes: Mount St. Helens, Mauna Loa, and Kilauea. I'm getting better. Possibly. You're not Hawaiian, so you can't really judge me, huh? Mount Denali is the highest mountain. Notice it is not a volcano, but it is a mountain. It is the highest mountain in North America, of course. The Aurora Borealis, another name for the Aurora Borealis, is the Northern Lights. The hottest recorded temperature was in Death Valley, California at 134 degrees Fahrenheit. Here is today's lesson. The Pacific states have a variety of natural resources. The Pacific Ocean provides many types of seafood. The lush valleys of California, Washington, and Hawaii provide fruits and vegetables for the nation. Okay, petroleum, oil in its natural state when it comes from the ground. Just as Idaho is known for its potatoes, Washington is known for its apples. You need to know that on a test. Washington is known for apples. Washington produces more apples than any other state. Washington's climate is ideal for apple trees, which like cold winters. In the late spring, apple trees flower. Each blossom will develop into an apple. The apples will be ready to harvest in the fall. Apples that are eaten whole are harvested by hand. Someone picks them. Apples that will be made into sauce, jelly, or juice are harvested by a machine. A large machine is attached to the tree and shakes it. I did not know that till I read this lesson. Apples fall into a cushioned wagon. I would feel sorry for the apple tree. Once harvested, the apples are packaged to be eaten fresh or made into other products. Those are pretty pictures. Apple harvesting. Hawaii resources. The people of Hawaii grow sugarcane, pineapples, and nuts. Pineapples from Hawaii are shipped throughout the United States. Pineapples grow especially well in Hawaii. The warm climate and good soil of the island are ideal for the fruit. When a pineapple is ripe, it turns orange or yellow-green. The inside of the fruit is a pale yellow. The fruits are sold whole, sliced in cans, or made into juice. Other parts of the pineapple can be used as cattle feed, made into medicine, or even woven into clothing. That is wild. I did not know that. The picture of sugarcane and pineapples, of course. I am allergic to pineapples, but they taste good. Right? Other natural resources. The Pacific states are home to many other natural resources. Fish are plentiful in the ocean. The streams and rivers are also a source of salmon, as well as other fish. Many fruits and vegetables are grown in the agricultural regions of the states. These include rhubarb, peas, and sweet cherries. In Washington, California leads the nation in the production of strawberries, olives, and kiwi fruit. You need to know that. California leads the nation in the production of strawberries, olives, and kiwi fruit. You know, if you guys would make the little my note next to the things that we talk about that you need to study, then it would be easy to study on your own too. Petroleum and natural gas are also important products in the region. The petroleum industry creates many jobs for people living in Alaska. The timber industry is also important to the region. Forests cover much of Alaska, Washington, Oregon, and California. The wood from these forests is used for building as well as paper products. The Pacific states have abundant natural resources. Here is a pipeline. They have it above ground. and they have it up off the snow. Do you know why? So it doesn't melt the snow. Pretty cool. Alaskan pipeline, Oregon forest, and Alaska lumber mill. There might be other reasons. I suppose the snow would shift and it would melt and then it would sink and then the thing would break. That would also be a problem. Oregon forest and Alaska lumber mill, where they cut down trees. Right?